गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू साइन एजुकेटर। आज आम पढ़ा सप्तम श्रेणीर इंग्राजी बहिर द जैकल एंड द रूस्टर पाठ विषय रे। एई भिडियो रे प्रत्येक प्रश्नर उत्तर दिया होईचे। तुमे माने देखी खातारे लिखि नियो। कॉम्प्रेहेंशन क्वेश्चन बोध परिमापक प्रश्नावली। नंबर 1, हु आर देयर इन द स्टोरी? गपटी रे किए किए अछंते? द जैकल एंड द रूस्टर आर देयर इन द स्टोरी। नंबर 2, व्हाट वाज द रूस्टर लाइक? गंजाटी किपरी? द रूस्टर वाज हैंडसम एंड किंग लाइक। Number 3, what did it do early in the morning? बड़ी सकालू गंजाटी कौन करुथिला? The rooster sang non-stop cock-a-doodle-doo every early morning sitting on a high place. Number 4, what did it know? से गंजाटी कौन जानिथिला? It the rooster knew that his song was unique in sweetness and sound in its locality. Number 5, is it true that the rooster song was better than the song of other rooster? ଏହା କ'ଣ ସତ ଯେ ଗଞ୍ଜାଟିର ଗାନ ତା ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ଅନ୍ୟ ଗଞ୍ଜାମାନଙ୍କ ଗାନଠାରୁ ଉତ୍କୃଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲା? No, the song of the rooster was not so better than the song of the other rooster of his locality. Number 6, what did it want its song to be? से ता गायन को किभली करिबाकू चाहुथिला? It wanted its song to be sweeter, louder and clearer. Number 7, did it know how to do this? से कण ताहा किपरि करिबाकू हेबो जानिथिला? No, it not at all knew how to do this. Number 8, the jackal thought the rooster would fly away if it tried to catch it. Why? कोकी सियाल जानिथिला जे जदि से गंजाकू धरिबाकू चेष्टा करिबो से तत्क्षणात उड़ी करी दूरेई जीवो। काहेकि? The jackal is a hunter beast of small birds and animals, so he has natural experience of the latter getting escape in their way. Number 9, did the jackal have similar experience before? कोकी सियालर कौन एका भली पूर्वानुभूति थिला? Yes, the jackal had similar experience before. This was happened the other day when he tried to catch a rooster. Number 10, what did the jackal suggest the rooster to make its song better? कोकी सियाल गंजाटी को तार गान को अधिक सुमधुर करिया पाई की प्रस्ताव देइथिला? The jackal suggested the rooster to close his eyes while singing in order to make its song better, means sweeter, louder and clearer. Number 11, what did the jackal call the rooster? Great handsome. कोकी सियाल काहीके गंजाटी को महान, सुंदर इत्यादि शब्द द्वारा संबोधित करिथिला? The jackal is known for its weakness, so that flattered the rooster to make it his prey. Number 1, did the rooster sing closing its eye? गंजा कौन आखि बंद करी गान कला? Yes, the rooster really sang, closing its eyes. Number 2. What did the jackal do? କୋକିଶିଆଳ କ'ଣ କଲା? The jackal caught the rooster by its neck and ran away. Number 3. Who ran after the jackal? କିଏ କୋକିଶିଆଳ ପଛେ ପଛେ ଗୋଡ଼ାଇଲା? The owner of the rooster ran after the jackal. His wife and son and his neighbor also joined him. Number 4. Why did they chase the jackal? କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ କୋକିଶିଆଳକୁ ଗୋଡ଼ାଇଲେ? All they chased the jackal to free the rooster from its clutches. Number 5. Why could not they catch the jackal? କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ କୋକିଶିଆଳକୁ ଧରିପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ? They could not be able to catch the jackal as it was far ahead of them. Number 6. Why did the rooster say that it was happy to be with the jackal? ଗଞ୍ଜା କାହିଁକି କୋକିଶିଆଳ ପାଖରେ ଥିବାରୁ ଖୁସି ବୋଲି କହିଲା? The rooster made a plan to escape himself from the jackal, so with this intention it said so. Number 7. Was it really happy or telling a lie? ସେ କ'ଣ ସତରେ ଖୁସି ଥିଲା ନା ମିଛ କହିଲା? He was not at all happy. He told a lie to work out his plan. Number 8. What did it say about its owner? ସେ ତାର ମାଲିକ ବାବଦରେ କ'ଣ କହିଲା? It declared that its master was very miser. He did not give it anything to eat. Number 9. What did the rooster ask the jackal to do? ଗଞ୍ଜାଟି କୋକିଶିଆଳକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ କହିଲା? The rooster requested the jackal to tell its master about its complaint.